All right, it's the morning and it's hot, and this is the batch that I'm staying at, and it's not really much of a batch, it's more of a giant house. Let me show you the view. Yeah, that's the view. It's a tough day at the office. So there's a little deck just out there with some chairs on it that I'm thinking I'll knit at. And then there's the ocean. But here's what we're doing right now. Okay, right now, number 9. We'll open this up and see what we've got inside. We've been in the blues, so it'll be interesting to know whether or not we're going to change further or if we're going to stay blue for a bit. Oh, okay, so we've got the blues, we've got a bit of purple still, and we're getting this greeny aqua colour. And I don't know if you can see all of the agapanthus growing in there. But what a good day to get this colour. What colour is this called? Am I going to die? I am. It's the Northern Lights. I love auroras. Honestly, I want to see the Northern Lights so bad. I want to see the Southern Lights properly. We saw an aurora at home a while ago, but it wasn't like as intense as this because we're further up north. Honestly, this is the best gift that I've ever received from anyone that, like, I don't have an attachment to. You know, like, they're not family, they're not... This is going to be, like... It's the greatest. I can see the ocean. I can hear the ocean. What you're hearing is the jug boiling because it's quite late and I'm making dinner.
Well, I'm just looking at the mark out along there.
Feeling brave, Dingus? So today's plan, not really a lot. I'm going to work on some crochet and some knitting. And I can't really go for a kayak because my wrist is not up to it, which is a shame. But I am up to sitting on the beach. So that's a good thing. Honestly, what even is this dog? This is... Hey. Yeah, you're nuts, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. He's just watching the birds because he's afraid of them. They're so tiny. He might be broken. Like, I'm not sure he's a real dog. Confining ourselves to swimming between the flags, both of them. 25 metres, maybe.
You're gonna fall off those stairs, isn't it? So they have a pack of large timber left over. And I thought, what the fuck are we gonna do with this?
No, I really do feel like this is quite intentional.
That's how it looks. I couldn't see the little white dot.
Right, hello. So, this is my beach yarn unboxing. This is my beach. Well, it's not even my beach, I'm just staying at the beach. This was one of the coolest gifts I've ever been given, is a couple of nights staying at somebody's batch, which, it's not a batch, it's like a giant house with, there's a whole boat room. Like, it's very cool. This is Crochet Me Zaddy's, or what is he calling his yarn company? Zaddycrafts. A Really Good Chenille. I jumped on it when it came online because it happened to do the pre-release during my morning tea break at work, and I just sat down with my coffee and opened my phone. It's like, it's live. So I did manage to get the 5 colours I wanted. I wanted to get 5 colours because he said that the shipping would be the same for 5 balls, and I was like, right, that makes it simple. 5 balls. So what did I get? I got the brown one. I don't know what the colours are called. I'm never going to remember the names of the colours. Cuddly. So this is Cuddly. It is very soft. It does have the line that the blanket yarns have, but it's quite faint. It feels like it's a similar thickness to Honey Bunny. But yeah, so I've got Cuddly, and I've got, what's this one? Adventurous, which matches my background quite nicely. I've got a thing with a discount code that's very cute. That's very cute. There will be another order, no doubt, because it didn't take too long to get here. That's my receipt. And then this one is Playful. This one, oh, it's not as orange as I thought it was going to be. It's more pastel than, I mean, I knew it was going to be a pastel one, but like, it's quite pastel. This one's Charisma. I'm charismatic, and this is my favorite color. Love orange. And then this one, this green one, is Witty. So my thought was Sunflower Turtle, but with those colors, because I've ordered similar colors out of the Hobie Toucan, and I'm going to make 2 Sunflower Turtles, and I'm going to compare the 2. That's unintentional, because I'd forgotten that I'd ordered the Hobie Toucan in the colors for a Sunflower Turtle, because I used my Sunflower Turtle for something else. I bought the colours for it and then I used them, and then, yeah. So I got the toucan in the same shades unexpectedly. What's this? Is this the end, or is this... I don't know. Either way, it arrived while I was in Christchurch. Around about the time I took off to go to Christchurch, it arrived, so I didn't get to open it then. And now it's here, and I thought I'd bring it out to the beach, but obviously I haven't used it at the beach. So that's exciting. We will see how we go with the Zaddycrafts, a really good chenille. In the meantime, I'm going to do some more knitting. My hair is filled with sea salt. All I do is go to the beach these days. South Island beaches, North Island beaches, you name it, beaches. Sun's going to go down. Sunset's going to be amazing, because it always is. There's so many seabirds. It's just very cool. I've had a great day. I'm going to make a coffee. I'm going to eat food that I shouldn't eat. And then I'm going to have a shower. And then I'm going to go to bed. But I'm going to do some knitting. It's, honestly, best gift I've ever received. And the turnaround time to actually get out here, insane. But worth it. Even if I do look a little bit like Hagrid, if Hagrid was at the beach. Alright, I'll catch you later. Hello, Dingus. Hot day.